Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a loan repayment strategy with Credit Karma, full guide step by step clearly. To create a loan repayment strategy with Credit Karma, begin by signing in to your Credit Karma account. If you don't have an account yet, visit the Credit Karma website and create one. Once logged in, navigate to the loans section on the dashboard. Here, you will find an overview of all your current loans, including their balances, interest rates, and payment statuses. Identify the loan with the highest interest rate. This is typically the best place to focus your repayment efforts. Next, click on the loan to access more detailed information. Review the minimum monthly payment required for this loan. Consider your overall monthly budget and how much extra you can allocate towards loan payments. If possible, add an additional payment amount to your minimum payment for the loan with the highest interest. Alternatively, consider using the avalanche method by paying more on that loan while making minimum payments on others. If you prefer the snowball method, pay off your smallest loan first to gain momentum. Adjust your budget accordingly to reflect these extra payments. Credit Karma also offers personalized recommendations based on your financial situation. Use these insights to modify your repayment strategy. It's important to monitor your progress regularly and make adjustments as needed. Set reminders for payment due dates to avoid late fees and maintain your credit score. Finally, celebrate small victories as you pay down your loans, which will keep you motivated throughout the process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.